Hi everyone, my name is Irinel de León. I'm a main Addicts hairstylist, and today I'm gonna walk you guys through how to get some cute 90s little braids up top on this beautiful head of hair. This is my model Rachel, and what you'll need today is a tail comb, some rubber bands, maybe a little bit of product if you guys want, and that's it. So let's get started. What you're gonna do now is, I have a tail comb here. We're going to create 4 braids. So what you're gonna wanna do is create a part right at the middle of your head, so you can start by doing that. One tip I always have is kind of align the tail comb with the bridge of your nose just to get the perfect part. So now that we have a middle part, you're going to go ahead and create another little part right here, probably like an inch wide. You're gonna want to use the tail comb again to just measure another section. Measure it with your finger if you want, and then you're just gonna go ahead and slide that all the way down using the actual tail of the comb as a guide. So you're just gonna wanna use that to go all the way back and then part the hair. To end the actual section, you're gonna wanna use the back of your ear or maybe a little bit further out as a guide. Right now I have about an inch away from the back of the ear, because you kind of want the braid to kind of go back a little bit further out. So now that we have another section, I'm just going to use a duckbill clip, or you can use any kind of clip of your preference, and I'm just going to twist and clip and just leave it there, and then I'm going to continue the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go in, take these 4 sections, and just kind of toss them to the front, and then you can take the rest of the hair and kind of just clip it lightly in the back. Especially if you have curly hair, you want to make sure not to disrupt too much of your natural curl pattern. So just kind of holding it back here very loosely is key to not disrupt your curl pattern. Okay, so now that we have the 4 sections, everything is separated and parted where it should be. I'm gonna go in and use a little bit of this gel cream. It's the Ouidad Vital Curl Gel Cream. I'm just gonna go ahead, put a little bit in the outside of my hand. I'm gonna take this section, and what you're gonna wanna do is maybe just detangle the section out a little bit. I'm gonna use this curly hair brush and just kind of go through very gently, especially if you have curly hair, very gently just start to detangle the hair. Take a little bit of the gel cream and apply some right onto the root. Feel free, if you have baby hairs, you can leave those guys out, because we can do something with them afterwards. And we're gonna part the top section into 3, and we're going to just create small braids going all the way back and then securing with a rubber band. Now that we have the first braid, you can just kind of leave this hair out, just because we're gonna wet it down and try to diffuse it afterwards, just so it blends in with the rest of her natural texture, since we brushed this out already. For the next section, again, still have some product in on the outside of my hand. I'm gonna go in, just apply some to the root, and we're gonna create another braid as well. Okay, so now that we've completed all 4 braids, we're gonna go in and just dampen all the little ponytails with a little bit of water, just to reactivate the natural texture and just kind of get it to match the back of the hair as well. So now that I've wet all the little ponytails, I'm gonna go with a Denman brush, and I'm just gonna go in and start to kind of brush through. What this does is it helps clump the curls together. So as you guys can see, all of these are clumped, but these are not yet. So that means you have to add a little bit more water. Now she already has some product in her hair, so we don't necessarily need to add too much to it. But if you were to add product, you can use a cream or whatever your preference is. So as you guys can see, it's already clumped together. Her curls are activating again. So we're just gonna scrunch and kind of just let that dry a little bit. We're gonna go in with a diffuser and just diffuse it a little bit just so the curls dry. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and use the Dyson diffuser. What you're gonna wanna do to diffuse is set it on low speed and very low heat. So now that we've diffused the hair, I've taken all the clips out that we had guarding the sections. I kind of fluffed everything up a little bit. The next step is going to be just laying the baby hairs down with a little edge control and a toothbrush. Not for your teeth, but for your hair. Just gonna go in and dab it on. And I'm just going to apply some directly onto her baby hairs. Using the toothbrush itself, just gonna go in and start molding and designing what we kind of want. So now that we've laid the baby hairs, we diffused the hair, we braided, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you guys soon.